Millions of Americans hit with a winter storm as the country braces for the Arctic freeze. And while temperatures drop, the cost of home heating is expected to rise by 17.2% from last winter. That's according to the National Energy Assistance Directors Association. I mean, this is something that a lot of people have been panicking about. I mean, when you look at versus the previous winter, you're looking at bills at about $1,200 this year for the winter, and then 36% higher than what we saw in the 2020 to 2021 blast. And as we're mentioning, they're bracing for this storm, really pushing up crude oil prices. They're up more than 3% on the day, rallying here. Only really the silver lining here we saw from Gas Buddy, from Patrick DeHaan, saying that at least when it comes to gas prices, you're looking at those bottoming at about $2.99 a gallon on this rally at the moment.
Yeah, I mean, those are the impacts we're looking at broadly. We're likely to see in the medium term, but in the most immediate term, Rochelle, you know, there's a lot of travelers out there that are getting very nervous about whether they're going to make it home or wherever they're headed for Christmas. 6,000 flights canceled, more than 20,000 delayed, at least through today. And there are implications here for the holiday beyond just travel. We heard from FedEx as well as UPS warning that packages scheduled for delivery today and Saturday may not arrive until after Christmas. That's going to disrupt a lot of plans that are out there, Rochelle.
Absolutely. I mean, and when you look at some of the temperatures that we're potentially looking at here, minus 45 degrees when you factor in wind chill, and that's affecting a lot of these power grids. We're seeing outages, particularly on the East Coast. We're seeing Texas under pressure as well. We know that Texas's ERCOT grid, it's still underestimating demand, so they're also having some problems there as well. But as you can see, predominantly we're seeing most of that on the East Coast. So a lot of outages there at the worst possible time, and, you know, heading into the holiday week, really a tough time.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm allowed to just sort of flex that in LA we're expecting temperatures of 70 degrees, but we'll keep that one pretty quiet.